You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead, you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. You just remember what your old pal said. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Oh yeah. Got a friend in me. Well, this week's Torah portion is jam-packed. Jam-packed. And there's something that I did want to share with you about this amazing Torah portion. And that is, everybody knows Parshas Yisro or Jethro in English. No, it's not Jethro Tull, but that's how they translate Yisro, Jethro. This week's Torah portion has the famous 10 goodies. What are they? The 10 commandments. Yes, indeed. Now, I am here to declare to everyone that they're not the 10 commandments. 10, I like to refer to them as the 10 directives. All right? 10 means of connection. And even the Hebrew word itself of mitzvah, or mitzvot, which people mistakenly translate as commandment. But the real definition of the word comes from the Hebrew word tzavta, which means chibur, attachment, to feel this connection. Wouldn't you think that of any place in the Torah that word mitzaveh, which that English mistranslation, in my humble opinion, right? It should be associated with the 10 Commandments. And yet right before, what's the line? Vayadaber Elokim es kol hadavrim ha'ela lemor. And Hashem spoke these matters. They were spoken matters, right? The next 10 instructions or directives. So I have to give a little plug for my book. Okay. Couldn't resist. Musings and Misunderstandings, shedding light on some, unfortunately, all too common English mistranslations of Torah. This one is a classic. All right? There is absolutely no reference to the word mitzvah or tzav. You would think the Torah should say, Vayedaber Hashem el Moshe lemor tzav es b'nei Yisrael, command them, right? Again, command. But it really, again, means to connect, to feel this connection, to bring out this connection. And how do we do it? Just do it. Do something positive. Do something to increase harmony with someone. Do something, even just to say hello to somebody. The Talmud says you should be the first to say hello to somebody, a stranger you see on the street. Be the first one. Don't wait for them. Say hello, how you doing? Compliment them. Oh, I love that sweater you're wearing. Wow, great shirt. I love your hair. Blah, blah, blah. There's a zillion opportunities every day. We just got to do it. Just do it. And what's up, Doc? Right? So, this word that you would think should be here is not. It's just Vayedaber, Hashem speaking, right? Es kol hadavrim ha'ela lemor. All of these matters, saying. And then it goes into what are commonly referred to as the 10 Commandments. But they're the 10 directives, or the 10 means of where we can feel this connection to godliness, to spirituality, and to each other, and to our inner sense of who we are, this inner meaning. Why are we here to begin with, right? So if we do these mitzvot, these directives, these are means of connection, of making this connection. And as the years go by, the friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. I tell you, buddy, that it's got to be. Oh yeah, it's you and me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Yes, you do. Got a friend in me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I gotta end it. Get out there and do those mitzvot. Not commandments. Connectors. Time to connect, y'all. Have a great weekend. Shabbat shalom. Peace, love, soul. Just do it.